Fractions don't have to be frustrating. Let's dive right into this explainer on adding and subtracting them.
Here's our roadmap. The golden rule, simplifying, related fractions, bridging a whole, and non-related fractions. Let's go. You can't just add cats and dogs. You rename them as pets. Fractions work the exact same way.
Which brings us to the golden rule. Absolutely never just add the bottom numbers together. Huge mistake.
The crucial takeaway here, fractions must share a common denominator, or counting unit, before you can combine them. To keep things manageable, we simplify. Just scale down both numbers by their highest common factor. For instance, take 12/18. How would you quickly write that in its absolute simplest form?
The highest common factor is 6. Divide the top and bottom by 6, and you get 2/3.
Sometimes we get lucky with related fractions, where one denominator is a direct multiple of the other.
So, how do we handle a mismatch? Let's try subtracting 1/15 from 1/3.
We just scale up 1/3 by factor of 5, which creates the equivalent fraction 5/15.
Now that our denominators match, simply subtract the numerators. We get 4/15. Pretty easy, right?
If adding numerator spills over the denominator, we bridge a whole. We convert it to a mixed number.
Let's watch how this actually works in practice. We'll add 2/3 and 4/6 together.
First, scale 2/3 up to 4/6. Combine those numerators and boom, you have 8/6. Convert that improper fraction to a mixed number, 1 and 2/6. Then simplify to 1 and 1/3.
Finally, the boss level, non-related fractions. This is where neither denominator is a multiple of the other.
Here's the ultimate test. Let's tackle 1/4 plus 2/5. Notice the bottom numbers don't neatly match.
So we hunt for a common multiple, 20. Scale 1/4 to 5/20 and 2/5 to 8/20.
Now just add those numerators together to get 13/20. You totally nailed it. This cheat sheet captures every rule we just conquered. Definitely grab a screenshot for your next math challenge. So, if you drink 1/10 of a half-full bottle, what actually remains? How else do fractions shape your world?